How do you see my face? Nine.
God have mercy upon us.
Ugly.
Oh, I'm ugly. I thought I'm so much maganda. Tama po.
You went to prison.
Oh, walang animal. Ha?
Animal.
Tinda animal. Oh my God.
God have mercy upon us.
Talaga? Talaga? Ambot.
Ambot sa imo.
Ambot salmo.
God have mercy upon us.
The meaning of bucket.
Why?
Why in English?
Yeah, why?
Oh my
Bakit?
God.
Tagalog.
How do you see my face? Nine.
No. Ugly.
I'm ugly. I thought I'm so much maganda. Huh? Thought I'm maganda.
Yeah, sure, so much beautiful.
So much maganda. So much beautiful. I'm maganda, nine. So much maganda. Yeah, in Tagalog is maganda. In English is beautiful. Ah. Okay, nine. I learned this one now. So my face is so beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my God, I'm so maganda. You see, it's not only
13.
girls that used to make up. So men, they will make up sometimes, so that the thing will be equal. Okay. You see my face now, so beautiful. Doing shakara.
Tuwan-tuwa naman.
I see I'm doing shakara nine. So beautiful.
Para kang parong-parong. Para kang parong. Ornate.
You see? I'm so maganda. Maganda lang.
Maganda lang.
Salamat po.
Walang anuman.
Anuman. Walang?
Anuman.
Oh, walang animal.
Hindi animal.
Ha?
Walang anuman.
Walang animal.
Hindi animal.
Tinda animal. Oh my God.
Siya lang ang animalinang. Walang animal.
Talaga? Talaga? Ambot.
Ambot sa imo.
Ambot salmo.
Ambot.
Ambot salmo. Nine? Meron na wala?
Mayroon na.
Wala?
Wala.
Hindi wala.
Wala?
Wala.
Ambot.
Alam mo, ambot lang eh. Alam mo, ambot lang.
Alam mo, ambot lang. Ano yun?
Si Diyos.
Si Diyos?
Oo.
What is the meaning of ano yun?
Ano, what's that?
Okay, what is that?
57.
Ano yun?
Ano yun? In Tagalog. In English means what? What is that?
Yeah.
Okay, what of pabeli?
Want to buy.
I want to buy. I want to buy in Tagalog means pabeli.
Pabili.
In English, I want to buy.
Dos.
That is so nice. This your beautiful pet. That is so nice.
67.
Kaibigan.
Kaibigan, hindi kaibigan.
Yes.
Kaibigan.
Salamat po, Nanay. Salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you
Salamat
so
din.
much. Balik kay ka dyan.